Hey, are you thinking about starting your own online business but not sure what tools you really need? Well, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to launch your online business with these three must-have tools. Also, if you stay all the way to the end, I'm going to share with you my number one recommended system to get started and get actual results. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right to it. And before I show you these three must-have tools to start your own online business, let me share with you who am I and why should you listen to anything that I say. Well, as I mentioned, my name is Michael De La Cruz, and pretty much not too long ago, I was pretty much struggling, living paycheck to paycheck. I was broke and I was pretty tired, and I just didn't want to work, the next 20, 40 years being that way. I just didn't have any life force in me to do the things that I love doing. I didn't have any time. It wasn't until one day that I was falling asleep at my desk that I said enough is enough. I'm gonna go ahead and find something that I can use to redesign my life and pretty much get my time back. So I went online to look for ways to make extra money online. For years I struggled, so it wasn't until one day that I found a proven system and I found these tools that I'm going to share with you that my life changed. I found a proven system, and once I found a trusted community that that actually taught me the tools that I needed and what I needed to do to design my life online, everything changed. So not only I was able to earn income online, but I'm able to help people just like you create success on the internet. I'm able to be there for my loved ones. I'm able to work from the comfort of my home, write my own paychecks pretty much, and I'm able to help others do the same. People that are looking for change and transformation, they're looking to get their time back, have that time freedom that we so desire. I'm able to do that through these tools that I'm sharing with you. This actually right here is our screenshots of basically people requesting information for everything or for anything that I'm sharing. This down here are actually sales notifications that I get, and this right here, I screenshot this because this is actually my first $1,000 day, and it happened, and I was like, okay, this thing is real. It works. It gave me the proof of concept. Now, this was my first $1,000 days, but before that I had my first $7 day, then I had my first $100 day, but then I got into high ticket stuff, and I got my first $1,000 days doing the same process, using the same tools that I'm going to share with you today. The results that you're going to get in any programs are actually up to you and your willingness to never give up and your willingness to follow simple steps and from real people, right? That's the key, is following simple steps from real people. If you can do that, if you can do these things, you can have the willing to never give up. You have the right systems, the right tools in place, and the right people around you. There's no way for you to lose, because so many of us have won already. So we have the formula, but you do have to be consistent. You gotta have effort, and you got to learn new skills. If you don't have these skills yet, you won't be able to get results. All right. Cool thing with us is that we actually help you get results. We have a personal team to help you, and assisting you, which I'm going to share with you in a bit. But I just wanted to share this with you, not to brag or anything, just to show you what's possible. You may actually have way better results than I have. It all depends how much you're willing to put work and effort into it. Okay, so with that being said, let me go ahead and share these tools. The first tool I found out that I needed traffic. So when I was looking online for ways to make extra money, I started different things that were not online. They were like MLMs and network marketing stuff, where you had to go to hotel meetings, you had to go chase after people. And I was not in alignment with that because I got a lot of rejection. Okay, so I found out that people online are searching for things that I offer. So it doesn't matter what program I join, as long as I know the skills of how to market online, I can actually have people that are searching for what I'm offering to find me online. Okay, and this is actually thanks to this right here. This tool is called Traffic. Traffic are basically visitors, eyeballs, people on the internet looking for solutions to their problems. Traffic can be either paid or it can be free strategies that you can use to get your offer in front of people. Tool number 2 is a funnel builder to create a squeeze page. The funnel builder that I currently use, and I'm going to show you, is called HBA Funnel Builder. What I love about this funnel builder is, I'm going to log in very quick, is basically how simple it is to use, and it's pretty inexpensive. Like this page right here, you see you can like customize it, and they have templates in here that you can use all those templates and just replace the heading to whatever it is that you're offering, right? What I like about this funnel builder is only $25 a month to pretty much, so it's a few cents per day, right, to pretty much use this insane funnel builder. And you can create unlimited funnels with it, unlimited pages. You can even create membership pages, and there's much more that you can create. And this funnel builder tool also comes with training and coaching. So the company that created this funnel builder, which is the Home Business Academy, actually helps you learn how can you customize this, how to use it, and you get coaching on it, which is super powerful for only $25. If you understood how many funnel builders softwares are out there, a lot of them charge a lot of money monthly for you to use it. But with this, for $25, you get this plus the training and the coaching. To me, it's a no-brainer. Okay, so in case you wonder what funnel builder I use to create a squeeze page, this is what I use. And this right here is a squeeze page of one of the programs that I promote, that I use. So you can create any program that if you already have a program or a company that you're affiliated with, you can create a funnel or a squeeze page to pretty much start getting, generating leads and building your email list that you can follow up with. Okay, so you need traffic, then you need a funnel builder to create a squeeze page, and then right between the funnel builder and the sales or the presentation page, you're gonna need another page that introduces yourself. That way you're actually branding yourself. This is totally optional, but if you understand marketing, or you understand how to get results online, you want to pretty much brand yourself so people know there's a real person on the other side of the of the computer, right? And what you do is you introduce yourself, and then you let them know what are they going to learn about on the next page, which is the great offer. So you're just going to introduce yourself. My name is blah blah. This is if you're looking to getting XYZ results, on the next page you're going to learn how to do that, or you're going to learn about a program or a product or a weight loss tip that's going to help you accomplish whatever goals your product or your offer is helping people, in whatever industry you choose. Okay, so again, you need traffic. You're going to need a funnel builder to create the squeeze page, and right here between the squeeze page and the great offer, the great offer can be given to you by a program that you join. So that's called affiliate marketing. So you don't need to worry about the great offer, creating the great offer, unless you want to create your own product. But I teach people how to earn income online by without having to create their own products. So you're using other people's products. This is what affiliate marketing is. You're getting paid to refer people to another company's or other people's products, right? So you can get a great offer just by joining any XYZ affiliate program, and I'm going to share with you in a minute the program that I highly recommend right now to get started. Then you're going to need an autoresponder. Now, a responder is just an email software that helps you send automated messages, automatically to the people that show interest in whatever it is that you're offering. So when somebody puts their name and email in here, they're gonna get emails from me because they gave me permission to email them about the information that I'm offering on this page right here. Okay, pretty cool. So if you click in any link that I have where I'm offering something that you can actually benefit from and is going to add more value into your life, you're going to notice that you're going to put an email, name an email, or sometimes just an email. Then you're going to get an email from me giving you the information that you asked for, right? To me, that's a better way to offer something rather than just going to some random people and be like, hey, look, here's my product, it's gonna help you out. If that person has shown no interest whatsoever in what you're offering, you're gonna face a lot of rejection, and people are gonna run from you, right away. And I always say this: if you market to everybody, you're marketing to nobody. So when you're actually getting traffic, which is a tool, visitors, you just have to make sure that those visitors are actually of people that are interested in whatever it is that you're offering on this page. So then when they go to this page, it's okay, this is what I clicked on, is let me learn more about it. So they enter their email, and then they can be added to your autoresponder. So an autoresponder, which I can show you right here, I have emails on here already pre-done. So while I'm sleeping, while I'm on vacation, while I'm spending time with my loved ones, I have an autoresponder here pretty much doing all the heavy lifting on my behalf, basically sending people automated messages, and I do send people emails. Like if something is live or something comes up, I just go in and just send an email, but that email gets sent to hundreds and hundreds of people at the same time, rather than me pitching at one person at a time about something. So this is the cool thing about building an email list, is that you can communicate with a bigger audience and just send one message, right? That's the beauty. Like, if you want to invite somebody to like a webinar or something, you send one email, and that one email will go to hundreds and hundreds of people, even thousands of people at one time. And that's way easier than trying to talk to one person, in person, like 1,000 people. Even if you have 100 people in your email list, it's okay. That's 100 people. Imagine having 100 people in a room, and you're having to, hey, come, here's the invite to a webinar, or watch this video. It could be exhausting, right? But with an autoresponder, you can just send one email and just like broadcast that to hundreds, even thousands of people at once. Okay, so I already have pre-done emails on here. And in case you think that since you're starting out, when I was new, like I did not know how to do this, like how to send emails and have autoresponder. But since I found a trusted community, that trusted community actually shared with me emails that I can put on there. And all I did was tweak it to my personality and just tweak a few things, added my own personal story to it, and then change the links and little things like that. And basically I had already autoresponder, so I had a business that can run whether I'm on my computer or not. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. For people that join me in this program, Affiliate Mentor, they actually have access. They get access to our team site, where you can learn how to pretty much get free traffic. Free traffic actually is going to take a little more work on your part. I recommend people just start doing both. So if you can afford paid traffic, so you can get things going faster, you can get clicks, you can start getting leads, and that having that audience getting to know you, and then getting sales from that audience faster. If you can do that, I will recommend doing that, especially if you're starting out. And because it's gonna when you do free traffic, basically you have to do certain things. You have to know how to make how to post a video, for example, how to make posts on social media, how to make a video on YouTube. But we teach you all this right here. So right here we teach you how to make your first video on YouTube. You can have us and this team build your brand, build your system. You're setting that up. If you're not techie savvy, you're gonna get our branded funnel tools, which I'm sharing with you what they are, the main 3 ones. We help you how to do Facebook marketing. We help you on how to email video to your email list, how to add the video into the autoresponder. And we have daily profit steps, right, that you can use to get sales. And we show you what to do when you get your first sale in this program. So this is actually exclusive for our team. You're not going to find this in any, by joining anybody else outside of this, somebody else in this program. But in our program, we want to pretty much help people out. So that's why our, one of our team leaders here made, this team page, or this team site, for people that decide to join us in this program specifically right here. So when you join the program, you're gonna get access to the fast start training, and you're just gonna follow the steps right here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, just get traffic. They do have a setup right here, which is a no-brainer. It's just a few clicks to set up your system, set up this right here, right? But if you really want to, like, I know that the branding part is optional, but if you really want to maximize your results by letting people know that you're a real person, then you can join this right here, this program, and then I'll give you access within 24 hours to the team site. I'll send you the link to it, and once you get in there, then you start following the steps right here. You can just click next, and you're gonna get actually in touch with with a coach that's gonna help you, or is gonna help you out, because when you get on the phone with somebody that knows what they're doing, things can go a little, it can go faster than you trying to do things yourself, if that makes sense. And then we can help you, which is optional, get your branded funnel, which is a funnel that is created specifically customized just to you. So when people go into that funnel, onto that system, which is these tools right here, they know you, they know that there's a real person, and then you get to brand yourself in that way. All right, so then you can start sharing results as you're getting sales, things like that. Again, results not typical, consistency, skills, and a willingness to never give up. Actually, those are things that are required, and we teach you how to do that. So to summarize, you're gonna need traffic. You're gonna need a funnel builder, which I'm gonna leave the link below to the funnel builder that I just mentioned, and you're gonna need an autoresponder. So these are the 3 must-have tools that you're gonna need to launch your online business. There you have it. Those are actually the 3 must-have tools you can use to launch your own online business. It's actually the same tools I used when I first got started, and that I continue to use to get results online. So if you're looking to get results, I highly recommend you get these tools. And if you want to know what is my #1 recommended system to get started, where you can get one-on-one coaching, you can get, if you're not techie, done for you setup, and you can get proper guidance in a trusted community, go ahead and click that link in the description. It's that first link that says my #1 recommendation. Click on that link, get access to those details, and simply get started if you're ready for change. Other than that, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.